Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Crown K. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, what up girl? Like, you already know what the deal is. I love you like so much. You know you my fave. If you're new, guys, just like hit that subscribe button and just become a part of the fam. I mean, you're already here, so just like stick around. Guys, today's video is in collaboration with Wow African. They sent this bob to me, y'all. I'm living because I needed a bob. Like, it's summertime, I needed something short and cute, and I wanted it cut properly, you know, because if it's not cut right, it don't look right. So I wanted a bob, and they sent me this 8-inch bob. As it's 180% density. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it has a removable strap, which is amazing. You can wear this glueless if you want to. You can literally wear it with a strap, girl. Put your makeup on and go, because I've seen other people review the same unit and they didn't glue it or nothing, but I did glue mine. But yeah, y'all are about to see that. If you like this hair, be sure to check out the links down in the description box below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, keep on watching and watch how, come on girl. No, keep on watching and yeah, get into how I slayed this unit. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get this wig on and popping. It does come in a silk bag, which is always good for storing your wigs. I did get some free gifts: a wig cap, a wax stick, and a comb. I love the silk bag that it comes in. I always keep the bag and throw the box out. That's really good for storage. But this is the hair. It's 8 inches. It's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The knots look really good. I did go in, however, and just pluck the side just a little bit, but not a lot, because it doesn't have that much parting on the side, but you can definitely get a high side part as well as a middle part. As you can see, that's what it's looking like on the inside. It has combs, adjustable straps, and also there's an elastic band that you can put in. This is what the hair looks like just straight off the bat. And as I said, I went in and I plucked it a bit. My braids were a bit messy because they're old. I was going to put the unit on without having a wig cap, but then when I was cutting the side of the lace, I kind of cut my hair, so I'm just like, okay, let's do a wig cap. So that's what the parting is looking like. As I said, it's not a lot of parting space on the side. You can get a side part, but it's going to be a high side part with a curve. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I applied the wig cap, and now I'm just doing the gluing portion. I'm using the Ghost Bond, and the only reason why I glued it down was because I was keeping it on for like 3 days. So I did that, and now it's really hot in Florida, so using the free spray, it will not last me over a day because of the humidity outside. But I'm just using my Ghost Bond, and I'm doing like 2 layers. You already know the drill. If I'm not keeping it on for like, you know, over 3 days, I just do 2 layers of glue, and I use some free spray, and that keeps the hair on and just like laid. And I'm just doing the middle section, and then I'll do the sides just to get everything more neat, in my opinion, because when I do the whole thing, it doesn't really work for me. I have to do section by section. So this is what I'm doing. Then I'll use my blow dryer to dry that on cool, just so it dries a little bit quicker. And I'm just gonna do this on either side until the wig is on, and then I'm gonna go in with a free spray just to get everything all nice and neat, and then I'll just tie it down. My only con with this wig is that there isn't much parting on the side, like at all. There's literally not much, so there's no way you can do like a low part. But for the whole idea of it, of the bob, I think it's perfect. The cut is beautiful, the hair doesn't shed, and I think it's pretty nice. It's a very natural density, so this hair does look realistic. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the lace off and tie the hair down just so it melts further into my skin. And guys, for the parting space, I'll just use my foundation. Well, I use some concealer, sorry, in the parting space. And after rewatching these clips, my hair was not dead center, but it's okay. I always miss the center of my hair. I feel like it was center, but I don't know what happened, but that's what we ended up, you know, working with, but it was still super cute. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it after I tie the hair down. and I get the lace that melts in, I'll just go in and flat iron the hair real quick. It's straightened out really good, and I'm using some rapid styling strips just to tie the hair down and to get it like more melted and neat. I'm literally just going to flat iron the rest of the hair, and that's all. This hair is simple, straightforward, and to the point. If you don't want to do glue and stuff, you can always use the elastic band and just do like a little freeze spray on the side just to hold the sides down if you so desire, or you could use a little bit of that to be gel. That's all. But this is literally the finished product. Yeah, I'm just gonna straighten the hair and that's it. So like keep on watching. But be sure to check out all the links in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Wow African for sending me this unit. I love you guys. I hope you have subscribed. Catch you in my next one.